When I make dessert like this, everyone asks me for the recipe. In a bowl, I will add 50 grams of strawberry gelatin, 500 milliliters of hot water, and I will mix well to dissolve the gelatin.
I will grease a mold with oil so that the gelatin does not stick to the bottom.
And I will add the gelatin in here.
I did the same thing for the lemon flavor.
And I will take these molds to the refrigerator for 2 hours. Then I will slice 15 strawberries into rounds. And 15 green grapes in half. After 2 hours, our gelatins are already firm. I will cut them into cubes. And today's special hug goes to Susana Silva from Beja, Portugal. So I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Next, I will grease a glass mold with oil. And I will gradually add the gelatin squares. I will also add the fruits. Make this dessert at home. It's very easy to make and tastes delicious. I will put this dish in the fridge while we make the second part. In a bowl, I will add 400 grams of condensed milk, 200 grams of cream, 410 de ml, 12 grams of colorless gelatin. And I will mix these ingredients well. And I will pour this cream into the bowl. I will use a spatula to spread the cream well. And I will take it to the refrigerator for 2 hours until it becomes firm. And our dessert is ready. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching this video up to here. See you in the next video. Bye.